What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 8. Oh, it's amazing, I know. Alright, so let's just open this bad boy up. Now I have unboxed it. I unboxed it last month, and I already got it set up so that I don't have everything for it. I only have the iPhone. So, but take this out. Here is the iPhone 8. No headphone jack either. Sadly. We are already on. Matte black, guys. It is not jet black, it is matte black. Here's the back. Beautiful. So I'm just going to set it up. And I'll be back once it's set up. Alright, I'm back. I got it all set up. I got the password on it. See, passcode. Now if we go to settings, and we go all the way, there's a search button up here, and now let's type in home button. We got 3 different settings. 3, here, get that closer. 3, 2, and 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and as always, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little unboxing, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.